He wants me to eat a pig's ear.
Pig's ear.
Oh my gosh. Who's watching me? I ate a pig's ear. I did that today. I ate a pig's ear. Tofu brains? 应该不是这样翻译的，这样翻译的话就听起来有点恶心。开心吗？Hey, good morning. You got a fine. Have a nice day. Great way to start your day with a nice big fat fine. That would really spoil your breakfast. Hey, good morning. $500.
$500.
Yeah, it wouldn't be that expensive, but no fine, right? No ticket? All right, we're good. Good day. Oh, 我走错了，很少在日本开车哟。I was so picky as a child. There were many things I would not eat. I kind of grew up on ketchup and French fries. Grew up on ketchup and French fries and apple pie and everything American. He just jumped. But after coming to Asia, I kind of changed my ways and I started trying new things. And as I tried new things and got out of my comfort zone, I stopped being such a picky eater. And now there's lots more things I can eat. And it's great. 干嘛呀？
我故意带这个拍了吗？
我没拍。
No.
I didn't catch him jumping.
Why?
Because you didn't tell me. I don't know what you're gonna do. Hey. All right, good job.
Good job.
No ticket. 没有罚单，没有吃罚单。我要系好安全带，安全第一。这个可以拿一下吗？
没关系。要拍他吃的东西吗？
可以。We're eating Chinese breakfast today. This is one of my favorites. This is 油条, and it's fried dough. We got 包子. It's a little dumpling with meat inside. We have 豆浆. This is soy milk, and then we have 豆脑. This is tofu brains? What would you call that? Tofu brains? With a little bit of cilantro, 香菜 on top, and some spicy sauce, because what wakes you up better than a little bit of spice? Tofu brains? 应该不是这样翻译的，这样翻译的话就听起来有点恶心。为什么叫豆脑呢？
像脑子一样，像人的脑子一样。
像人的脑子吗？人的脑子有这么圆圆的吗？
啊 ，tofu
pudding。tofu pudding。哦。tofu pudding 更正确一点吗？
正确一点，
对。
tofu brains。
这个听起来很好吃。tofu brains。
真的很吓人。
可能会吓到人，就不吃了。这是内脏吗？
猪耳。
猪耳。哦，长得一点也不像。猪耳。
嗯。
好吃吗？
好吃。
为什么要吃猪的耳朵？
很好吃。
He wants me to eat A pig's ear.
Pig's ear.
Oh my gosh. He wants me to eat a pig's ear. Well, I will say it doesn't. All right, I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna humor you here. I'm gonna take some. I will say it doesn't look like a pig's ear. Does it taste like a pig's ear? I don't know what a pig's ear would taste like. I don't have anything to compare this to. Crunchy? Cartilage? Usually I don't eat organs. Oh, well, this isn't an organ. Now I'm really trapped here. Now I really have to eat it. Usually I say no to organs, but this is not an organ. Yeah.
Not bad.
Eating a pig's ear for the first time. Let me wash that down. It doesn't taste bad. It's just in my head. It's a strange thing. It's just got like a chewy taste to it. I ate a pig's ear. I did that today. I ate a pig's ear. 开心吗？He's watching me. He wants to make sure that I ate it. There's plenty of pig's ear to go around. We got lots of that. So don't miss your chance.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I better eat that pig's ear, you know, while it's still there. Yeah. I ate that.
Pig's ear.
I don't know. I feel accomplished for some reason.
You tried them yourself.
Yeah. It's a little spicy for breakfast.
在那个 YouTube 上有那个午餐的吗？
对，
到了吗？对，我给朋友
你看一下。Oriental Pear。
你想知道我的那个频道叫什么呢？你感兴趣吗？好，就订阅一下，支持一下，然后每次都要点赞。好，有新的粉丝。He's gonna subscribe. He's gonna subscribe to the channel. we got one. You know, one at a time. That's how you do it. Rome wasn't built in a day, ladies and gentlemen. It takes time. One Chinese person at a time. 谢谢谢谢。他说加油。好，我吃一个油条。
你吃一个油条。
好，很好吃，谢谢哦。
那个。
前天叫赛火鸡。
这个要给我吗？午餐要吃这个吗？不，我给，这是你。Give me a Red Bull. I thought this was for you. Oh, don't worry. Oh, shoot. Don't hold it like that. Don't hold it like that. Don't ever hold it like that. Oh my gosh. Careful in the car. Your lunch. 这是你的午餐。哦不，你的午餐。耳朵。
你看这个呢？这个不拿了，看没？这个不拿了，扔了。
为什么扔呢？
这个会扫的车。
哦，好好。拜拜。That was some good Chinese breakfast. I think that a lot of Americans haven't tried Chinese breakfast before. And if you haven't, you should. Just give it a try. Try it one time. Maybe you don't want to try the pig's ear, but you don't have to. There's lots of other stuff. Fried dough, come on, that's pretty tasty stuff. That's pretty good. Go out and try something new. Hey, what's the worst that can happen? You might find something you like. Or you might get very, very sick. That was a very pessimistic thing to say. This is a more positive channel. Just make sure that the restaurant is clean, then you won't get sick. What's the worst that could happen? Food poisoning. Oh, other than that, you just might find out you like something. I don't know, would you rather eat Chinese breakfast or Japanese breakfast? Or maybe neither. Maybe none of the above. Hey, I barely even eat breakfast, so, you know what? Just to each their own. Alright, thanks for joining today, and see you next time. 很开心的，他们也很开心，就是那个服务员，对，很好奇心。我有个新的订阅者，耶！
很有 fun。
每天加一个，
每天加一个，一年365个。
对，一年365个，好慢。